In early September 2025, Beijing became the stage for one of the most significant diplomatic and military gatherings in decades. China, Russia, and North Korea showcased their growing alliance with a massive military parade and high-profile trilateral talks, signaling a united front against the West. Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin, and Kim Jong Un appeared side by side, projecting solidarity against Western influence, particularly the United States. For Kim Jong Un, it was his first multilateral event with both Xi and Putin, underscoring North Korea's push to expand its global partnerships. At the core of the summit were three themes. Global order. Xi and Putin called for a multipolar, just democratic world order, challenging US-led systems. Economic and military support. China reaffirmed its economic lifeline to Russia, purchasing oil and providing technology, while North Korea pledged direct military support, including troops and weapons for the war in Ukraine. Nuclear and defense collaboration. Kim's participation legitimized North Korea's nuclear ambitions, with missile factory inspections highlighting his intent to cement Pyongyang's status as a nuclear power. This trilateral summit is more than symbolism, it's a direct challenge to the US-led order. Analysts warn the three nations are evolving into an axis of upheaval, coordinating strategies that could dramatically shift military balances in the Asia-Pacific. North Korea, meanwhile, is mending ties with China after years of tension, recognizing Beijing's role as its largest trading partner. The Beijing summit also drew leaders from Iran and Myanmar, further widening the anti-Western coalition and highlighting China's ambition to act as a regional power broker. The summit coincided with China's largest ever military parade, marking the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II. The presence of Xi, Putin, and Kim together served as a powerful image of defiance against Western sanctions and pressure. Experts say the summit marks a turning point. The three nations are moving from partnership toward a volatile, coordinated axis. Possible trilateral military drills could shift the balance of power on the Korean peninsula and beyond. North Korea, backed by China and Russia, gains both technological support and diplomatic cover for its nuclear and missile programs. In response, U.S. allies South Korea, Japan, and others are boosting defense budgets, accelerating advanced weapons development, and expanding security cooperation with Washington, Canberra, and even New Delhi. The alignment is also reshaping supply chains. Covert trade in energy, defense, and critical minerals among China, Russia, and North Korea undermines Western sanctions and raises new global economic risks. This historic Beijing summit has set the stage for a deeper geopolitical rivalry. With China, Russia, and North Korea forming a united front, the world may be entering a new era of competition, one that reshapes East Asia's security landscape and tests the resilience of the U.S.-led international order.